looks like that.
I think it's nearing your bedtime.
Huh?
I think it's close to your bedtime.
Back here? Maybe?
Yes, we'll go back there. Or, yeah. Or we can go on this sidewalk here. This sidewalk. Want to go on the sidewalk and do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go sailing.
Okay.
Yeah, you are sailing. A boy one, a me one, a whole one, a mommy one, and a blue one, and a squirrel.
Squirrel. Shiny objects.